iPrint and Scan for Windows and Mac OS can connect to a selection of common cloud services. In this video, I'll show you how to connect and scan into Google Drive, which is one of these cloud services. First, you'll need to make sure that you've already discovered your Brother device in iPrint and Scan. Click on Select Your Machine. iPrint and Scan will search for any USB machines connected to your computer or any machines connected to the same network as your computer. Select the machine that you want and then click OK. Once the machine has been selected, we can perform the scan. Click on Scan. Before we connect to Google Drive, iPrint and Scan needs us to decide on a few scan settings, including document size. And the colour settings, and the resolution. Remember, the higher the resolution, the bigger the file size. And two-sided scanning, if two-sided scanning is available on your device. In this example, we're scanning a simple document, so we'll leave these settings as they are. You can find some more advanced settings by clicking on All Settings. We have already selected the basic settings, so we'll move to the Document Correction tab. In the Document Correction tab, you will find other options which will alter the finished file. We'll not select any of these options. Next, we'll look at the Enhancements tab. Here we can adjust the brightness and contrast. We'll leave these as the default settings. And on the P Control tab, we can set 2 pages in one. We'll leave it as it is. Once you've made any settings that you want, click OK. Now that we have made all the settings we need for the scan, we can start the scan by clicking the Scan button. The machine will scan the document. When the scan is complete, you see a preview of the document. Now we need to select where we want the scan to be saved. In this example, we want to save the document to a cloud storage service, so we'll click on Scan to Cloud Service. We need to give the scan a file name. We will call this Scan Demo. The date and a unique number will automatically be added to the file name. Next, we will select the file type. There are several file types to choose, for example JPEG for photos and PDF for documents. We're scanning a simple document, so we will select PDF. Next, we need to select which cloud storage service we want to save the file to. When this video was made, iPrint and Scan supported 3 popular cloud storage services: Dropbox, Google Drive and OneDrive. In this demonstration, I'm going to use Google Drive. we click on Google Drive Sign In button. This will open a web browser page. We need to select the account to sign into. Next, we need to enter the Google account password and then click Next. We need Google Drive to grant access to iPrint and Scan, so click Allow. When authentication is completed, close the web browser. The account is now signed in. Once you have signed in, you won't have to sign in again. iPrint and Scan will remember your account details. We can now select Google Drive. And click Save. The scan will be uploaded and saved in an automatically created folder called Brother. For easy access to the Scan to Cloud feature, you can add the process to a workflow. For instructions on how to do this, follow the link. Thanks for watching this video on Brother iPrint and Scan to Cloud.